everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this easy beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern in your baby's blanket, gents sweater, ladies sweater. See, this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. This is very easy pattern, and this is only 12 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast in multiples of 7, and plus this pattern is made of 2 and this pattern is made of 5. So 2 plus 5, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, and plus 2 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 18 stitches on my needle, which is 7 plus 7 14, and plus 2 extra stitch 16, and 2 edge stitch 18. So row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Knit your edge stitch first through the back loop and knit all stitches. Knit all stitches on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. Row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch purlwise on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2 and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the repeat. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Purl 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And your last 3 stitch, purl 2, 2 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, purl 2, 1, 2, and then edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. Row 3, knit edge row 1, knit all stitches, which is knit all stitches. Row 3, knit all stitches. Row 4, knit edge row 2, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat. Purl 2 and knit 5. Repeat that again. Purl 2, 1, 2 and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Knit 5. Your last 3 stitch, purl 2 and edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. Row 5, for row 5 knit all stitches. Row 6, knit edge row 2, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat. Purl 2 and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat. Purl 2 and knit 5. Repeat that again. Purl 2, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. Row 7, for row 7 knit all stitches, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and knit all stitches. Row 8, knit as row 2, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Purl 2 and knit 5. Repeat that again. Purl 2, 1 2 knit 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, slip. Row 9, knit all stitches, row 10, for row 10 slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, now these 2 stitch, knit 2 and these 5, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 and purl 5. Repeat that again. Knit 2, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Last 2 stitch, knit 2, last 3 stitch, knit 2 and edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. Row 11, for row 11 knit all stitches, row 12 last row, knit edge row 10, so slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 and purl 5. Again, knit 2, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 12 rows, row 1 to row 12, over and over again until you reach your desired length. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.